There are different types of clinical trials. Some clinical trials are what they call randomized clinical trials. And in those kind of clinical trials, there are really two sides to it. One side is going to be the new drug, and one side is going to be standard therapy. It's important for any of these trials to compare how those two things work. Otherwise you'd never know if the new drug works any better than the old drug unless you have two sets of patients that are on both of them simultaneously, all under the same circumstances. So it's also important that the researchers don't know which of those arms you're in, because you don't want to bias the study at all. They may think in their own mind that the new drug is great, and so in their own observations, they may be biased a little bit. So you don't want that to happen. So what they do is they, in quotes, blind the studies. And what that means is that the researchers, the people doing the study, have no idea whether you're on the standard regimen or whether you're on the new drugs. So there is a possibility, even though you'd like to be on the new drug, because your old drugs aren't working, there is a possibility that you may still wind up in the arm that's on the same drugs that you're currently on. Nonetheless, if the research ultimately shows that this new drug is great and it comes to market, you will have participated and helped in bringing that drug to market, which will now be available not only to you, but to other folks as well, and will have been shown to actually improve whatever the treatment of the illness is compared to old therapies.